AutoRecords for M-Files is a completely integrated records management solution for your M-Files installation. With features like our automated classification rules, automated retention events, and the power of M-Files 360-degree object view, AutoRecords makes it easy to meet your compliance and records management goals. The M-Files 360-degree view on this file shows our assigned records retention category and associated AutoRecords events with ease. Exploring the category, we're shown the event templates and a view into other documents also assigned to this category. The event template automatically generates a records event, seen here, and the event performs records actions on the M-Files system at a designated time. So when checking in a document, the retention category automatically determines the events that will occur. Auto-classification rules enable AutoRecords for M-Files to assign retention categories to content without any user intervention. This auto-classification rule applies to any content that has a class of document and contains the words financial statement in the name or title. Auto-classification rules, combined with automatic event creation, empowers records managers to enforce compliance across the organization in an unintrusive and uncomplicated way. Let's show this in action by checking in a new document. We'll drag in this new file and add it to our repository. Auto-classification rules are applied on a configurable schedule measured in days, hours, or minutes. After the prescribed time, we can see that AutoRecords has assigned a retention category and generated any associated events, all without any human interaction. Auto-classification rules operate off of AutoRecords triggers, which enable the use of any combination of metadata fields and values that are allowed in the M-Files system to make records management classification simpler, smoother, and easily configurable. AutoRecords comes with a set of pre-built actions to accomplish the most common records management tasks and uses M-Files workflow engine to perform work on the system. Finally, AutoRecords leverages an audit-ready architecture, which ensures that every action that occurs is stored for audit purposes. That action history can be exported or connected to external data sources for reporting purposes using standard M-Files operations. Every part of the AutoRecords system has been designed to make compliance and records management for your organization easy to implement, easy to roll out, and pain-free for the end users. If you would like more information on how you can take your content and records management pain away, reach out to us at Team Informatics and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.